Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to bring you the update. If you remember the raised bed where Isha planted a few bean seeds and some lettuce seeds, so you can see we started getting growth over here. The beans have started sprouting. The lettuce also. There's an accident here last night. Some animal or something jumped over here, so we'll have to take care of this. Rest all looks fine and nice. It's a beautiful weather today. We'll keep you guys posted to rearrange. Hey guys, what's up? It's a beautiful day in Lahore. It's raining lightly. It was very humid. Just wanted to give you an update about the beans that we planted the other day. Isha helped me plant those beans. So if you can see, they have started sprouting. Look at this. These are the green beans, these are the dwarf beans, and the climbing pole beans are also taking off. We've got rows of salad over here. So we'll keep you guys posted about this little experiment of ours. Hey guys, what's up? So wanted to give you an update about the pole beans and dwarf beans which Isha planted. So as you can see, they've come up really nice. The dwarf beans are a little slow because we had an accident, so we lost a few plants, so we planted them again. And this pole bean is doing really nice. This plant is doing really nice. So just a quick update about the beans. Alright guys, we'll keep you posted.